is not PM, folks. Not PM. I guess we should start off Monday with a bang. I don't know how much of my intro got recorded there because this thing's janky about starting when you have it on the... I've got it where when you push the shutter button it automatically turns the camera on, but then it says busy and then 00. Then it jumps to 2 seconds. I'm not sure if I got everything or not. Anyway. Babbling! So... You're watching this on Monday. There obviously won't be any video game footage covered on this. I might, if I do anything tomorrow, if I play any tomorrow, then I might record it. But now I'm just kind of enjoying the weekend. It's nice and quiet right now because everybody's gone. I have no vehicle, so I can't really go anywhere, so woohoo! I loaned my truck to Becky's son, and Becky offered to let me take her to her work, but I'd rather just sit at home. Wait for the next round of storms to come. Storm for a little while this morning, or afternoon, whatever it was. Mostly just rain, didn't really storm a lot. I just saw a bird fly into those people's vent on their house. There's been a lot of noise around here lately, and I think it's a combination of somebody's bass on their stereo and something, I'm not sure what. I can't really complain about that. I used to do that all the time. Had a Dodge Caravan with 2 very huge amplifiers and 1 ginormous subwoofer. I'd have to get my paper out because I can't remember the sizing on everything, but it was huge and it was very loud, and it would pop. On Dodge Caravans, they had those little lever windows in the back where you could unlatch the lever and it would open about 1.5 inches, 2 inches. With all the windows closed, if I hit a really heavy bass note, it would pop those windows open. It was kind of fun. And yeah, I used to drive through neighborhoods just to irritate people. I was a bad boy. But enough about me. How have you been? How's your weekend going? Did your weekend suck? Have you been distracted by a bird flying in and out of somebody's vent like I have? Some of the flowers are dying. Some are blooming. My favorite ones are starting to bloom. I'd show them to you, but too much effort. So, yes, let me know how your weekend was in the comments. Tell me your thoughts, your feelings. Tell me your life story. I don't care. Whatever. Tell me you owned a Fiero at some time. And so the weekend ends. Sunday evening. Just sitting in my chair. Thinking, wow, I didn't accomplish anything over the weekend. No, I didn't get a game recorded either, but that doesn't surprise me because oh gosh, I had an attack of the lazies. But that being said, I should have some gameplay videos coming up. I'm going to try. I mean, I've got a doctor's appointment or an optometrist appointment tomorrow, which is Monday when you're seeing this. And then Tuesday I have an appointment with the doctor that I was supposed to have seen last week, but they changed my appointment and not told me. But I should have plenty of time to do some gaming there. I hope so, because I really like to play games. Working on my upstairs also. I finally got I've had the microphone that I wanted to use for a few years now, but I didn't have any way to really mount it to the desk. I bought a desk mount for it last week and it came Friday. So I'm figuring out where best to put it. That's only one small piece of the puzzle. I still have to get the interface to run to the computer. And then there's the whole gaming aspect of it. We still gotta cross that bridge. Oh, so much work. Anyway, I'm babbling. So I'm just gonna say peace. Rock on. See ya Wednesday.